Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your JIS News for Monday, January 29, 2024. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett has announced the largest Spanish investment of over $2 billion coming this year. The move will create approximately 19,000 new jobs in construction and tourism services and comes on the heels of Jamaica's successful participation of FITR in Madrid, Spain. FITR is one of the largest gatherings of tourism professionals globally, this year attracting 8,000 exhibitors representing 130 countries and over 300,000 attendees. During the trip, Minister Bartlett and his team concluded negotiations with 3 major Spanish hoteliers who are now in advanced stages of development approval in Jamaica for groundbreaking events this year. The projects will bring luxury rooms in Lucy Hanover by Grand Palladium, housing units for tourism workers, a convention center, entertainment facilities and golf courses, among other amenities. The tourism minister says the investments are a testament to the confidence Spanish hotel partners have in destination Jamaica. Spain's Pinero family is leading the construction of 2 new luxury hotels and cosmopolitan villas with a residential community for Bahia Principe in Runaway Bay St. Anne. This development, which will employ 12,500 workers, also includes a fisherman village, PGA golf course, private schools and entertainment. Also, luxury brand Secrets Resorts will construct several hundred rooms in Richmond St. Anne, employing 2,000 persons. Minister Bartlett says he is particularly pleased that these new expansion projects have environmentally sustainable governance principles and a social development focus. Over the next 12 months, the government will be bringing several public entities in which it has shares into the capital market. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement while attending the Jamaica Stock Exchange's 19th Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference recently. Dr. Clark named entities such as the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, Trans-Jamaica Highway, South Jamaica Power, and the Jamaica Public Service.
We plan over the next 12 months to put these assets into an infrastructure vehicle that will be listed on the stock exchange, that investors, and they may be institutional investors, have an opportunity to participate in, giving private markets exposure in a big way to infrastructure assets.
The finance minister says the government will retain a sizable stake in what he calls the infrastructure vehicle.
I believe that this is an asset that for those who have, long-term liabilities against which they have to find investments, pension funds, insurance companies in particular, and those who are looking for assets that have a stream of income, this will be a welcome addition to the stock exchange.
The recently established German Ship Repair Jamaica Limited, GSRJ, is said to be already reaping success. CEO of the entity, Lieutenant Colonel Martin Rickman, tells JIS News that the GSRJ has satisfactorily completed its first ship repair and is now repairing a second vessel.
The Mexican authorities and the owners of the vessel was very, very pleased with the quality of the work at the end of the day. So we were very proud of that. We are on already to our second vessel, which is a very large working barge.
Lieutenant Colonel Rickman says ensuring the GSRJ is operating in accordance with international standards is moving ahead with expertise support from several other countries that are delivering knowledge transfer and skills development opportunities. While touring the facility recently, Industry Minister Senator Aubin Hill said the investment was helping to set a new standard for shipping-related operations.
The German shipyard here in Jamaica is creating a new paradigm, where productivity at the highest German level is brought here and will raise everybody who works with you. Any contractor who works with you has to work at the international level.
Minister Hill said he was also pleased that the ship repair facility was providing opportunities for training and skills development for students at the Caribbean Maritime University and other tertiary institutions. The government is seeking to have COTED revise its decision to not grant the country a 2-year extension of the suspension of Common External Tariff, CET, on Jamaica's importation of lithium-ion batteries from outside the region. According to a statement from the Ministry of Energy, the Council for Trade and Economic Development based its decision on the government of Barbados' indication that a Barbados-based company was able to supply the quantity of lithium-ion batteries being requested for CET exemption. But the ministry contends that its subsequent assessment of that company reveals that the lithium-ion batteries produced in Barbados differ from the type on Jamaica's priority list. In addition, the company's existing production capacity amounted to 1.5% of the lithium-ion battery imports, particularly for use in renewable energy systems. Jamaica's previous 2-year suspension of CET ended December 31 last year, and the government is seeking an extension up to December 31, 2025. The ministry says COTED's decision has important implications for Jamaica's renewable energy sector, and it is committed to working closely with its partner ministries to engage the regional body to have the decision reconsidered and revised. And finally, commuters traveling through downtown Kingston will soon witness a revamp of the bus bays at the North and South Parade. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz made the announcement during a recent tour of the downtown transport center. He said there were some changes to be made logistically to have the place more customer-friendly.
I can see right away the need for railing, the need for covering, the need for seats, and a reorganization of these bays. Not to mention signage. These are all very low-hanging fruits that don't require a significant amount of funding.
Pointing out that once the buses are in the bay, the people have nowhere to queue, sit and protect themselves from the elements of sun and rain. The minister says the comfort and safety of passengers is priority. He says the ministry will set up a committee that will include the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Transport Authority, Jamaica Urban Transit Company, and the police force to address this and other issues, including lighting in the area.
You see all of these poles? There's absolutely no street lights on them. My understanding is that they've been like this for years. Poles may have to be relocated based on obviously the changes that we're going to make. But we will relocate the poles and we will put up street lights and put them up in a way that they serve for the safety of those passengers, especially that this place is busy from morning until night.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.